Welcome back to Beyond the Sky. Imagine this. You step into a time machine, and when the doors open, you're not in the 21st century anymore. You're standing in the world of dinosaurs. Gigantic creatures roam the land, the air is heavy, the earth vibrates with their footsteps. But here's the twist. You didn't just arrive on any ordinary day. You've arrived on their last day alive. Stay with us until the end to see what really happens on that final day of the dinosaurs. And don't forget, subscribe to Beyond the Sky for more journeys across time, space, and imagination. The year is about 66 million years ago. You look around, thick forests, massive ferns, and skies filled with flying reptiles. The air feels different, warmer, denser, with much more oxygen than today. In the distance, you hear the low roar of a Tyrannosaurus rex, king of the land. Herds of Triceratops graze nearby, their horns glistening in the sun. Overhead, a Quetzalcoatlus, a flying reptile with a wingspan bigger than a small plane, glides across the sky. It feels like walking straight into a prehistoric documentary. But this isn't a movie. This is real. And today, something unimaginable is about to happen. The morning begins normally for the dinosaurs. Triceratops wander through open fields. Raptors hunt small mammals in the undergrowth. Pterosaurs dive into lakes for fish. The earth seems alive, vibrant, unstoppable. If you didn't know what was coming, you'd think this world could last forever. But far above, 10 kilometers wide and traveling at 70,000 kilometers per hour, a massive asteroid is racing through space, heading straight for Earth, and no creature below has any idea. Suddenly, in the sky, you notice a strange glowing dot. At first, it looks like a star. But it's growing larger, faster than you can believe. Animals look uneasy. Birds take flight. Some dinosaurs raise their heads and let out nervous cries. Nature itself seems to sense danger. Within minutes, the dot becomes a blazing fireball streaking across the sky. The asteroid has entered Earth's atmosphere. It's brighter than the sun. Shadows stretch across the land. And then, impact. The asteroid slams into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, creating the Chicxulub crater. The energy released is equal to billions of nuclear bombs going off at once. The ground beneath your feet shakes violently. Trees snap like matchsticks. Shock waves travel across the planet. Near the impact zone, everything vaporizes instantly. Dinosaurs, forests, oceans, all gone in a fraction of a second. A towering wall of fire spreads in every direction. Even thousands of kilometers away, the heat is so intense it could ignite forests just from the blast of radiation. If you're standing anywhere close, you wouldn't survive. But since this is our journey of imagination, let's pull back and watch the Earth itself change in real time. After the blast, a massive cloud of dust, ash, and vaporized rock shoots high into the atmosphere. The sky darkens, day turns into night. Firestorms rage across continents. Earthquakes split the ground. Giant tsunamis race across oceans, flooding coastlines. The dinosaurs struggle. The mighty T-Rex that once ruled the land is now terrified, unable to find food or safety. Triceratops herds scatter, searching for shelter from falling debris. Even those far from the impact are doomed, not immediately, but slowly, as the planet begins to suffocate under darkness. The asteroid's dust cloud blocks sunlight for months. Plants can no longer perform photosynthesis. The green forests turn into wastelands. Herbivorous dinosaurs starve first, followed by the carnivores who depend on them. Temperatures plummet. Acid rain falls from the sky. It's a chain reaction of extinction. But not all life perishes. Small mammals, burrowing creatures, and some birds find ways to survive, eating seeds, hiding underground, or scavenging. These survivors will one day evolve and give rise to something entirely new, including us, humans. You stand there watching the fall of giants. The era of dinosaurs, which lasted for over 165 million years, ends in just a blink of geological time. It's a sobering reminder of how fragile life on Earth truly is. The dinosaurs had ruled far longer than humans have so far, yet a single event reshaped the future of the planet forever. If that asteroid hadn't struck, maybe dinosaurs would still walk the Earth today, and maybe humans would never have existed. And just like that, your time machine whirs back to life. The prehistoric world fades, and you return to the present, our world, shaped by the survival of the few after that catastrophic day. What would you do if you could actually witness the last day of the dinosaurs? Would you try to warn them or simply watch history unfold? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to subscribe to Beyond the Sky, where we explore the mysteries of the past, the wonders of the universe, and the possibilities of the future.